Attorney General's Vatican visit with President draws mixed reactions. The 2nd of September 2025. By a correspondent, Harare, the recent visit by Zimbabwe's Attorney General to the Vatican, accompanying President Emerson Mnangagwa, has been described by government sources as a landmark moment in the nation's diplomatic outreach and international relations. Officials hailed the delegation as a demonstration of Zimbabwe's commitment to dialogue and cooperation on global issues, including justice, governance, humanitarian concerns, and spiritual matters. The Attorney General's presence, they argued, signified Zimbabwe's resolve to uphold the rule of law and promote ethical leadership on the global stage. The engagement with the Vatican not only strengthens bilateral ties, but also positions Zimbabwe as a proactive and principled member of the international community. One government statement said, framing the visit as part of a visionary approach to diplomacy that blends legal expertise with moral guidance. However, the move has not gone without criticism. Prominent journalist Hopewell Chinono dismissed the narrative, questioning the rationale behind the Attorney General's inclusion in the presidential delegation. Since when did presidents travel regularly with their attorney generals as a sign of upholding the rule of law? Sometimes it is better to keep quiet than to make such ridiculous statements. When you speak without thinking, you only expose that there is something amiss to the whole world, he said. The visit has therefore sparked debate, with some hailing it as a bold diplomatic step, while others view it as a political stunt that exposes contradictions within the government's messaging on governance and the rule of law.